Let's continue with our business coverage, and we're looking at Tesla now. Its chief executive, Elon Musk, has signalled he could cut the price of his cars further as the market faces what he calls turbulent times, sending the company's shares down sharply. Tesla's already cut the price of its long-range Model Y by a quarter this year amid stiff competition with other car makers. The price war is taking its toll on Tesla's profits margins, which were down in the 3 months to June to their lowest in 4 years. But it did sell a record number of cars and says it's on track for its target of shipping 1.8 million vehicles this year. If you look at the share price, it's gone up by some 37% since the start of this year. So that's a pretty decent performance, and with most of the gains coming in the past few months. So I asked Chris Jones from the consultants Canalys whether, as far as strategy is concerned, has Elon Musk got it right?
So far, I'd say yes. He dropped prices significantly a few months ago. That caused panic amongst its competitors, especially in China and other kind of major markets. And even a small change in its price has had a very big effect on demand. And we're seeing that in the last couple of quarters, where it's consistently shipping over 400,000 new vehicles every quarter now. So it's got the best-selling car in the world in the Model Y. It's the best-selling EV in the major markets, and, as I said, the best-selling car in the world, which is pretty amazing.
Do you think it still has the wow factor? When Tesla first came to market, it really did. It almost had a cult following. But now, with so many really good offerings from the other big car makers around the world, isn't it losing that?
You're right. It's been a few years now since the Model 3 launched. That was over 7 years ago, 7 or 8 years ago. Even the Model Y was first delivered over 3 years ago. So it's been a while since it launched a new vehicle, a new car. The Cybertruck is coming in the US, but that's pretty niche in terms of the overall market. But yeah, there's more competitors out there now. There are much better EVs out there to compare against the Tesla. But still, it's delivering. It's able to be very efficient in its production. It's ramped its production around the world with more facilities. And it puts pressure on the competitors when it drops prices.
Just quickly, Elon Musk has been promising for years full autonomy. That's one of his key goals. He said in this last earnings call that he's going to spend more than $1 billion over the next year on its new AI training hardware. Again, your thoughts on that move on his part?
Yeah, it's coming. It's been slow progress really in the move to full autonomy. You still have to have hands on the wheel, eyes on the road when driving a Tesla. So it's been a slow process, and I think they've under-delivered in that area over the years. They've certainly promised a lot more than they've been able to deliver so far. But every vehicle on the road is learning. Every vehicle on the road has sensors, cameras, and they're learning from how people drive, and they're collecting data every mile that's driven. So they're making progress, but it has been slow over the years.